Hello, this is Mr. Larson's third grade class again. Today we are going to be demonstrating precision partnering for you. Alright class, here we go. Today is our fourth and final day of going over plural endings. So our learning target today, will everybody read it along with me?
I can form plural endings.
If you remember from every day we've been talking, plural means more than
one.
Singular means
Two. Or no, one.
Thank you. Singular means one, plural means more than one. Today we're going to be talking about forming plural endings again, and I'm going to write a word up on the board right away, and I want you to sort it into the correct column. Okay? The first word is going to be breezes. Breezes. You can go ahead and sort breezes into either the S column, the ES column, or the IES column. Okay, partner number one, raise your hand. Partner number one, I want you to teach partner number two what column you put it in. Don't forget to tell them why you put it there. If you need to use your board to draw, that's okay. But the only thing, partner number one, I want you to use these words while you're teaching. I want you to use singular. And I want you to use plural while you're teaching partner number two. Got it? Teach.
Okay, so how I got breezes is because how you actually spell breeze is like this, B-R-E-E-Z-E. So, and the singular form is breeze, and the plural form is breeze. So I just added an S.
Partner number two, raise your hand. Partner number two, you need to either agree or respectfully disagree, and you need to tell them why. Okay? Teach.
Okay. I agree with you. Because when you said when it's so in other words you think that it's so breeze, you think it's single, you spell it B-R-E-E-Z-E, then you just add a, so then you put it in the add S column because the singular is breeze.
Class, class, class.
Yes, yes, yes.
Your conversation should have sounded something like this. Well, when I look at the word breezes, I know the singular form of breezes is breeze, and I know that breeze ends in an E. So I did not need to add an ES to the end of this because it already ended in a silent E. So breezes should have gone in the S column. You can either erase it or leave it. Will you give your partner a 10-finger woo? Woo. You can either erase or leave it. It's up to you. The next word I would like you to sort is ditch. Go ahead and sort that word quickly for me. Ditch. Partner number two, raise your hand. Partner number two, will you teach partner number one what column you put it in? And then will you please teach them why it belongs in that column? Got it? Teach.
Okay. I put it in the ES column because it has D-I-C-H. I looked at the word for a while. Yes. First I saw it.
When it ends in a CH, you always put an ES.
I know it doesn't have So if I add ES to the end, it wouldn't make any sense if I added S or IES. So if it ends in a CH, you have to add ES, so that would be the plural form. So that's why I put it in the ES column.
So that's why I put it in the.
All right, partner number one, it's your job now. You can either agree or you can respectfully disagree. If you respectfully disagree, you need to tell your partner why. Okay? Teach.
Okay. I respectfully agree with you. I did the same as you. I know the singular form of ditch would be D-I-C-H, and then you just add E-S because adding an S to ditch would make sense. Same with E-S. Yep.
All right, here's what your conversation should have sounded something like this. Well, I know the singular form of ditch is ditch. In order to make it plural, I see that it ends in a CH, so whenever a word ends in CH, I need to add an ES. Ditches. Even if I didn't add the ES, I can still hear it with 2 syllables. Ditches. I know it has 2 syllables, so it would look silly if I just added an S. Yes. So, ditches should have gone in the ES column. If you use singular and plural, that is very impressive. I always want you to use these 2 words when we're talking about adding plural endings, okay? You can either erase or leave that word. We're going to do one more before I have you write some in a sentence. The last one I want you to do is worries. I think most of you can see which column it goes in right away, but you need to be ready to tell me why it goes there. Thank you for being so quick. Let's go to partner number 2 again. Partner number 2 again. Will you turn and teach partner number 1? What column you put in there? You need to use the word singular and plural while you're teaching. Teach.
Okay, so I put it in IES because the singular form of worry is worry. And I know when something ends in a consonant Y, I drop the Y and add the S.
Nice. Yep. You got it.
If it's just like W-O-R.
Yeah, because worry
If it
is
was
spelled
so
like
weird if I put it in
W-O-R.
the ES column.
You know what I really like to see? I'm seeing students that are grabbing their board and they're writing out the singular form of worry to show their partner the rule for dropping the Y. Very impressive. Partner number 1, will you please agree or disagree with partner number 2? If you disagree, you need to say, I respectfully disagree because. Or if you agree, you can just say, I agree with you, and tell them why you agree. Okay? Teach.
Okay.
I agree because I know that a single there's a consonant and a Y unit
I am impressed. This is what I heard from almost every group. Well, partner number 2. This is the singular form of worry. W-O-R-R-Y. I see the last 2 letters in worry are...
Consonant Y.
Thank you. Consonant and then a Y. When the last 2 letters are a consonant Y, I know I need to drop the Y and add an I-E-S. So worry obviously should have gone in the I-E-S column. If you did that, give yourself a 10-finger woo. Woo. You can erase.
The whole thing?
Let's see. This time I want you to choose whatever word you want and use it in a sentence. So an example would be, I saw 4 blank, but now I only see one blank. An example is I saw 4 boxes, but now I only see one box. I saw 4 blank, but now I only see one blank. You can go ahead and write that sentence on your board. Please use the singular and plural form of the same word. Oh, rocks. Nice. Rocks. Shoes. Diamonds, yep. Cookies. Ooh, I like that. Let's see if you can get the singular form though, Ahmed. See, one, you need to put the singular form of cookies though. It looks like most people are finishing up. Partner number 1, will you please read your sentence? And you also need to show partner number 2 which 2 words you used. Got it? Partner number 2, please watch and make sure partner number 1 used the correct plural and singular form of that word. Make sure they spelled it correctly. Got it? Teach.
Okay. I saw. I see the singular form is heart. The plural form is hearts. There's a happy, kind of happy, not happy.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Partner number 2, go ahead and share your sentence with partner number 1. Teach.
Okay. I saw 4 rubies, but now I only see 1 rook. Oh, thanks.
How did you spell it?
Very well. You copy.
I-E-S. Nice. Congratulations.
So is it good and not good at all?
Class.
Yes.
I have a word up on the board. Today is Friday, so you should be able to know how to form plural endings. The word is bush. Will you please write out bushes? Actually, you don't even need to write the word bushes out. All I want you to do is hold up your plickers. You don't even need your marker. Bush. Does bush belong in the S? To make it plural, is it B-U-S-H-S? Is it B-U-S-H-E-S? Or is it B-U-S-H-I-E-S? This is going to be A, B, and C. You need to vote right now. Just hold them up. And I'm coming around. Gotcha. Yep. Good. Brianna, didn't get you quite yet. Good. Gotcha. Yep. Okay, plickers down. Got everybody? The next word I want you to vote on is... That's okay. Voice. Do you need to add an S, an ES, or an IES to voice? Clickers up, A, B, or C. Go ahead and vote. Did you add an S, an ES, or an IES? Gotcha. Okay, I got everybody. And last one. Worry. To make worry plural, do you add an S, an ES, or an IES? Go ahead and vote. Gotcha. Yep. Alistair, straight up and down. Gotcha. Good. Ahmed. Yep. Emery. Yep. Okay. Clickers down. This is our 4th day of going over how to add plural endings. In your writing today, I should see all plural endings spelt correctly. You should know when to add an S, an ES, or an IES to your plural endings. Thank you guys for being so patient and working so hard up here. You can head back to your desks while I have Kaden get snack. And